Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change columns that are showing on a product page on mobile, so from 1 to 2. So basically what you'll need to do is go to your Shopify control panel, click on themes, then click on edit theme, then right here select collection, default collection, and then select a product grid right here on the left side. And if you go to the right side, or if you don't see this menu, just zoom out a little bit, and then you'll see mobile columns. So here you can change mobile columns from 1 to 2. So select those and make sure to save your changes. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.